Hey guys, how's it going? I'm making this short video to tell you guys that we are no longer going to be building the Nissan Sentra anymore. Now I'm just playing. No, we are going to be building the Nissan, but I'm not able to make my computer work right now to record the screen, so I'm just going to tell you guys everything verbally. So the plans for the B15 are going to be drastically changed due to the fact of the accident that I had. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. I don't know if it's gonna be right here or right here, but I know it's in one of these two. But point is, now the car is going to have to be changed completely. So we're gonna get the rims powder coated. The car's gonna get fixed from the rear end. We're gonna get a new color, which we do not know yet. It's either gonna be between a blue or a red, which either or. And we're also going to not turbo the car. A subscriber did text me on Instagram and everything, but there's other plans that I have during the summer to do that would, I will be able to give you guys a bit more content. So I think I'm gonna go that route instead. If later on in the future he still has it, I'm more than willing to buy it. But for right now, there is other plans for the summer. But other than that, so we're gonna be doing new color. We're gonna be powder coating the rims, wheels, my bad. We're gonna be doing a full interior redo from top to bottom, seats as well, and we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of parts for it. So we're doing a front sway bar delete. We're doing we're gonna be putting a rear sway bar. We're gonna be putting cams. We're gonna be putting the headers, and we're gonna be putting some other parts onto the car. And in other news, I actually do know the color that we actually gonna be putting on the B15. I just don't know 100% what like shade of it. But other than that, we're doing the 03 from the front end on it too. So now it's gonna look a bit more aggressive. And then from there, I think we're going to be doing. That's pretty much it. So we're just gonna get cams, springs, retainers, and that's it. That's it for it right there. And just get a basic tune, probably some probably injectors too if needed. We'll do injectors, fuel pump. But other than that, it already has fuel lines, fuel rail. It has a whole bunch of parts. If you guys want to see a video of me breaking down exactly everything that was put onto that car by up to date, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know in the comments down below from where you guys are from. I want to see like where all my viewers are at right now. I know some of them are here in Chicago because I've spoken to you guys, and some of you guys are gonna come pick up some parts from the B15. But yeah, just let me know where you're from and everything. And if you guys are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see all the latest B15 content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.